Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at a HP ProLiant Microserver Gen 8, and what we're going to be doing is this only has 4 gigs of memory and we're going to be upgrading it to 16 gigs. So we're going to get a lot more memory out of it, because then later on in another video we're going to install ESXi and maybe spin up some VMs on here. These are the Intel Xeon procs. These are not the i3s or the Celerons that you see in most of these. So we did upgrade the CPU already, and now we're going to upgrade the memory. So let's go ahead and turn this around, open it up, and upgrade that memory. Alright, we have the server on our side. We loosen our screws, so let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, once we have it open, we have two 2 gig DIMMs, so let's go ahead and pop these out. Now keep in mind, these servers, they are servers, but they do require the low memory voltage memory. So I'll have a link in the description of this video on the correct memory you want to get if you want to upgrade to 16 gigs for one of these. The particular memory I got was this ATEC 8 gig DIMM each DDR3, and this is the low voltage. As you can see, it's got the 1.5 volt, so that is the low voltage memory. So and I like these because these are low profile as well. Now I noticed when I went to try to link this in the video, this memory no longer you can get on Amazon, but I did find another that's really comparable to this memory, and it is named Brang instead of this ATEC stuff, but hey, it works for me, so I have no problem with it. So we go ahead and lock these in here. Now let's go ahead and hook up our power cable or monitor cord, and let's go ahead and power this up and make sure we see the new 16 gigs. Alright, we hooked up our monitor cable, we hooked up our power cord, and I just hit the power on, so we're going to wait for this to boot up, and we should see something here on the screen shortly. There you guys have it. We just loaded up and we got the 16 gigs installed, and it's booting up normally now. And we should see, yep, it's just doing a memory test real quick on those DIMMs to make sure we're good, and it did pass. So that's good news on our end. And I'm not going to bore you with the rest, but it's going to boot up into Windows, and you guys are all set. So that's how easy it is to upgrade your memory. In this instance, we're doing 4 gigs to 16 gigs, so now we can actually spin up some VMs and actually have some memory. The Gen 10 microserver does give you the capabilities to have 32 gigs, but I like this particular model just because the expandability. You're able to upgrade the processor, the drives, the build quality overall I think is a little bit better than from the 8th to the 10th generation, surprisingly. But there you guys have it. We're all looking good here. And our last thing will just to pull up the PC info within Windows, just so you can see the memory is being detected and upgraded. Alright, we loaded up into Windows, we typed in PC info, and there you guys have it. There's our 16 gigs now. So we're all set. So let's go ahead and power this down, put the cover on, and we are done. Thanks to you guys. Hope that you enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see anything else. Have a great day. See you in the next video.